7 ways to win a woman's heart. When you feel attracted towards a lady, you wonder how to get close to a girl and win her heart. Well now, let's get this straight. There's some effort involved here to win her heart. There's no guarantee the girl you are crushing on will look at you with big, dreamy eyes, sealing the deal. Nope, you've got to work for it, buddy. With a bit of suave and confidence, you're going to need to get her attention. Once you've got that, you'll next need to figure out how to get close to her. Granted, it's not the easiest thing in the world, which is where this guide comes in. Let's figure out how to approach a girl and win her over. 1. Be a good listener. Whether you want to woo a woman you're interested in or are in a precarious situation that has led you to frantically look for answers to how to win a woman's heart back after you messed up, the first thing you need to do is listen to her. Show her that you are involved in the conversation by asking relevant questions. Every woman feels safe with an active listener who exhibits warmth when they share intimate details about their life. By giving her a safe space to communicate, you help her open up. And once that happens, the road to her heart becomes a pleasant ride. If you have messed up, you may want to listen to the problem she has with you or the relationship. It may help you come up with solutions to the things that have gone awry between you folks. 2. Become her friend. When a man is trying to win the heart of a woman forever, the best way is to become her friend. Friendships are like warm comforters on a cold night. Friends can hang out and can be emotional hangers. So go ahead and become her friend. However, you may want your romantic desires to take a back seat when you make the sacred, unconditional vow of friendship. When I say unconditional, I mean it. Don't use friendship as one of the tricks to make a woman chase you. Let the feelings develop naturally. I can assure you that if you guys ever get into a relationship, your friendship will make it last. 3. How to win a woman's heart without money. Be creative. Is it the end of the month with your salary yet to be credited, but you see a window to impress her? It is time to think outside the box. You could woo her by actually finding out about her interests and thinking of how you can make her feel special. Think of it in terms of experiences rather than materialistic gifts. For instance, if you both like hiking, you could embark on a nature trail, provided she agrees, and strike up a deep conversation at the pinnacle of the hill. It will be the one to remember. When your bank balance doesn't allow for fancy dinners, you can simply call her over and cook her favorite food. An intimate evening like this will not only win you extra bonus points for the effort, but also bring you two closer than any fancy dinner can. Get her favorite flowers. It'll show that you remember little things about her. Pour your feelings out on a piece of paper to sweep her off her feet. Take her to your favorite spots. Those childhood haunts. When I was a teenager, I would drive inside my town's university campus to sit by a lake just to read. I have devoured Harry Potter books here and read Agatha Christie mysteries avidly. The spot evokes many memories even today, for it was the beginning of my love for reading. So when I dated a special someone, I took them to this spot and took them on a trip down memory lane to that special experience. It struck an unspoken warm note between the both of us. 5. How to win a woman's heart with words. Share secrets. Ever wondered, what can I say to get close to a girl and win her heart? Well, share your secrets or some experiences and memories that are deeply personal to you. If she gives you advice or recommends solutions to your problems, tell her that you appreciate her for taking out time to think about your issues. Be courteous and gentle, because that is how you win a woman's heart. Every woman wants to feel appreciated for the value she brings to the relationship. Although, we'd suggest you read the room before you start opening up. Talking about something so personal can be risky. She could unintentionally hurt you, or you could just come off too strongly for her, here are a few steps you can follow to test the waters before going deeper. Tell her about some of your funny, embarrassing stories. Talk about an intimate event that affected you strongly. Open up to her about your past experiences and see how she reacts. 6. Plan a memorable date. Well, if you really want to spend some cash, plan a complete date. It could comprise dinner and a movie, or a stroll in a beautiful park. Make it memorable. If you are taking her out to dinner, ensure that the menu is of her liking. If you are a man who is trying to win a woman's heart after you messed up, a good idea would be to recreate your first date or any other date that holds a special meaning for you as a couple. 7. Be yourself. Be yourself is a difficult, subjective statement. It is meant to be interpreted slightly differently. Being yourself actually means do not pull the shroud of a different personality if you want to win a woman's heart forever. Refrain from lying, making up things that do not exist in your life, or projecting yourself as someone you're not. It is all right to accept your limitations. Honesty and authenticity are actually highly valued characteristics if you're looking for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. When you exhibit your real self, you automatically feel more confident, and that amplifies your chances of winning the girl over. On the other hand, a facade will eventually result in you losing her, perhaps forever.